Good evening, everybody. My name is Nidhi Sheth, and I am from Gujarat. This subject I'm going to talk about, this subject, it deeply touches all of us because of the crisis inherent in it. It is not only the crisis of 21st century women, but the crisis of reconciliation of gender inequality that we first have to resolve. It is not only about the abuse of women by man, or whether such abuse has any historical or cultural roots in our Indian psyche. It is about how men perceives women in our society. The idea of today's debate is to critically examine the root cause of this issue. We have to go to the bottom of our psychological, cultural, and emotional being to decipher the DNA of rational violence against women. For us Indians, the epitome of female gender who has cultural and social bearing is none other than Mother Goddess Sita. To understand the true character of Sita, we have to refer to the Ramayana, which is written by Valmiki. The Ramayana, which we know in 21st century, is nothing but the amalgamation and misinterpretation as it has come down to us through various ages. The main root cause, according to me, for this ideological difference, there are two reasons why it is happening. The first one are the foreign aggressions, and the second is the terrible communal riots. Women has always been on the receiving end. The violence have got mutated in our DNA. We could have quelled from this through our independence if we had taken into account the three major causes through which the violence had begun. The first one is the dangerous trends of mass migration due to labor from the rural to the urban India. The second is the gender ratio and the unhealthy ghettos of migrant labor. And the third is the social evil of dowry, which has unleashed the terror of female feticide. This has been a root cause in our constitution and India until the case of Nirbhaya, it bruised and it led to an awakening. This episode will be no good to us, but due to this episode, it led to an awakening. Our conscience got bruised, due to which we have hard laws which are enforcing right now. But is this the end of the story? Will only the laws will help us to change our mentality? I don't think so. It will only end when this ideal parity between men and women shall be attained in our society. It will end when the far-sighted educational policies will educate new generation to respect the opposite gender at their early childhood. It will end when there is zero differentiation, gender differentiation in our attitude. It will be appropriate for me to end my speech by a beautiful poem written by great Tagore. The son of the first day had asked, at the advent of the beginning, "Who are you?" No answer came. Years after years passed. The last son of the day uttered the same question on the shore of the Western Sea. By a mute evening, "Who are you?" received no answer. My sincere apology to all and my sincere request to all the women, please speak up and live your life with your head held high. Thank you.
शुक्रिया निधि और राहुल करार जी, आपसे निवेदन इस युवा नेत्री का हम यहाँ पर स्वागत अभिनंदन करेंगे। निधि सेठ निर्मा यूनिवर्सिटी की छात्रा, फार्मेसी की, गुजरात से आती हैं। आपने इनके विचारों को सुना, अप्रिशिएट करते हैं हम उनके विचारों को भारतीय छात्र संसद में।